Alrighty, welcome to Art at Home Acrylic Marbling. So what I've got here, I've just picked 4 colours, white, red, orange and silver. Added a bit of water into the paints just to make them a little bit more liquidy. I've got some small canvases. You can use paper, cardboard or anything else you can get your hands on. I've had a couple of attempts just to see how it works. First attempt here, terrible. The paints that I used there I'm not going to use. This one here is our red, orange, silver and white. So the white and silver didn't really come out, so we'll have another go at that. We'll make a couple right now. Okay, so we need to mix our paints together. So we'll put a dollop of orange at the bottom. And maybe some red. We're just going to do this randomly, random colours of your choice. Silver. We might add a little bit more red. Orange. Finish off with a bit of white there. Okay, so you're just going to pour in the centre of your canvas. Little paints. You want a fair bit on there because you want it to flow off the edges, and we'll make another one here. Oh, that's coming up with a cool pattern. Both of them from the same pot, totally different. So we'll just give that a minute. Go, finished products. Always give it a try. Always try again. Try something new, because first, second, third, and fourth. That's pretty cool. Have fun.